Lokilangi.
NRM oye, movement oye, Museveni oye, Adoinla oye, Wandu Shukono, Anikan Luawuni, Ayugi Judith, Anabera Nira Mona Yakina Mona Menu Yam.
Zasimu awa Gntv Agarikwotsya.
Kandi nabwo twagumizamo tukiri aho radio n'agenda mesha yo kuronda karuru korajwe Gntv y'abacyara abebembezi batari bamwe na bamwe nabo barge babasa ku bantu bashajika Western Sewereka guta Museveni bakumukora mu district ya Dokoro kandi bamwereko bishakibwa mana na nabo bari mu district ejo bamuhamiza ngo ubuzima NRM neija kutera yuguru gukanda karuru nibija ku bantu bakahereza okwisependereji reka tubirebe.
General, the government chief whip, the ministers present, members of parliament, our ambassador, the local leaders, all of you, Apoyo Bino. I'm Rosemary Nansubuga Seninde, the director in charge of mobilization. Your Excellency, I take this opportunity to thank you so much indeed for sparing this time to come and meet the people of Dokolo. Thank you very much for coming, and we've no doubt that your coming is going to add a lot to this effort. Your Excellency, like it has already been said, the time we came here, it wasn't easy. But we thank God that the 1 month we have spent here, we have been able to do a great job. And we thank God for that. Your Excellency, we have been able to meet traditional leaders, we have met religious leaders, we have met special groups, we have held rallies in almost all the parishes. All the 71 parishes, we have been able to meet people coming from the various villages. And all these have shown massive support for our candidate. And I want to thank you, the people of Dokolo. Thank you very much for receiving our candidate. Every time we've come to you, you have shown your readiness to support NRM. Thank you very much. Your Excellency, we have worked through the structures. When we came to Dokolo, we made it very clear to the people that as a party, as NRM Secretariat, we don't lead campaigns. We work from behind, we guide, and we help our people to move. And we have worked through the, thank you very much, Your Excellency. And we have worked through the structures. We have sub-county committees. We have a task force of the district, and we have been able to move. I want to recognize our colleagues who have worked with us, the members of parliament, particularly Honorable Kotogong. I want to thank Honorable Kotogong. He has been fully with us, and other members. The Minister of Health has been with us. All ministers who have come to campaign with us, I want to thank you so much. I want to thank the SEC members who joined us, all the leaders, and everybody who has added value to this campaign. I want to thank His Excellency the President for the support he extended towards this activity. I want to make it clear to His Excellency the President that the resources we have been receiving for this activity have been coming, and we have received them tagged to specific activities. And all these activities, we have been able to carry them out. We have held an expanded conference. We held various consultative meetings. We have supported our task forces. We have been able to support our candidates. We have supported the campaigns, and we have supported the candidates, and among other things. So we have been able to move. We want to thank you so much for that support. Your Excellency, this campaign has enabled us to galvanize the support of NRM. And I really want to thank everybody who has added a brick to this effort. I want to thank our candidate in a special way. Our candidate, Adong Jen, has been a great candidate. There are candidates who are not sellable, but I think Jen has been sellable. We have been able to campaign with her, and we have seen how she has tried to campaign well. So the people of Dokolo, once you vote for Adong, you are not going to regret. I want to thank the security team headed by the RDC, Madam Beatrice and your team. We want to thank you so much for the work we have done together. I would like to thank Madam Barbara, the RDC. I would like to thank the task force headed by Honorable Kotogong and all the members of the district task force. I would also like to thank the sub-county committees, the sub-county task forces, our Secretary General and the team for all the work we have been able to do together. But Your Excellency, I want to assure you, with God's grace, I think we have tried our best.
Everybody in the district did not even think that now Dagole Menini is moving. Nobody could really talk to me in a right way so that I can step down, because I had the power. As a woman married in this land, nobody could take my power to control the district. I started uniting the party on the 17th. On the 17th, I called the district conference of about 500 people to tell them the goodness of NRM and the goodness of President Yoweri Museveni. You were elected by God. If it was not by God, you would have not been in power. My father, let me tell you this, and know from today that all the effort they are doing, it's from God. I saw that NRM is still having a future in Uganda, in Lao sub-region, and in Dogola district. So I did not go to any party, but I choose to be in NRM.
Your Excellency, I'm Bishop Ochan James. I remember in September last year, you were with us in Kaunda Ground, where Pastor Patience entrusted me to organize that prayer. I have come to hand over my daughter to you. As you know, she's very powerful. She has shaken Dokolo and married here. You people of Dokolo, number yo, you actually kuja dano tika bolo NRM kenba. Afoil a dear Secretary General Todwong. He has worked very hard in Acholi, and I'm very proud of you. Acholi people are very proud of you. Mose have come to hand over this daughter of mine to you, so that God may bless her through you. Amen. Secondly, Mose, on the 13th of April, I'm having my consecration. I'm inviting you officially to come and attend my consecration in Acholi region. God bless you very much. I hand over to you.
He's calling you. You go.
Zasimaka just Gntv Agarikwotsya.
Tugumzamo okwatirine n'ebyokwerinda omuyanga ya Uganda iheri ya UPDF ryaryo ryarabura abanya-Uganda bona okuzahabuzora misho ahabwa abayekera ba ADF abarugamba kuba batahire omuyanga ya Uganda kandi bashaba abantu bona mu districts zona okureba ngo bagamba ninga bahababira abantu bona barayecengera omyanya yabo abatari okucenguka. Reka tubirebe.
Abana mawulire n'abana Uganda mwenna tuli wano okwogerako abatujju ba ADF abazeemu nate okuyingira mu nsi yaffe Uganda, era mujjukira bulungi nti omwaka oguwedde 2023 mu mwezi ogw'ekkumi waliwo abatujju ba ADF abawerera ddala 10 nga bakulemberwamu Kamanda Kamusu n'Enjovu abajja wano ne batta abaana baffe abeerubiriha ne bookya n'essomero era ne batta abalambuzi baffe abaali wano mu Uganda mu district y'e Kasese ne bookya mmotoka era ne bagenda mu district y'e Kamwenge nayo ne battirayo abantu baffe. Okuva olwo group eno abantu 10 Kamanda Kamusu twamutire Kamwenge, Njovu ne tumukwata era we twogerera bino awere n'emba n'emisango gy'obutujju mu kooti zaffe. Akagurupu kano oba akakulemberwamu Kamusi n'Enjovu bonna baggwawo. Naye kati tugenda mu maaso n'okulaba nti tunoonya akagurupu akalala ate oba akabinja akayingidde ensi yaffe nga kava mu Congo era katumiddwa kamanda gwe bayita Abu Wakas oba gwe bayita Ahmad Muhammad Hassan nga abatumye okukola obulumbaganyi bwe bumu nga Wakasi ne nga Njovu na Kamusi bye bakola. Tugenda mu maaso n'ebikwekweto mu Congo era bino bye bakola tebijja kutulemesa ate okubakuba mu Congo naddala mu bitundu bye komanda ebyesudde kilometers 146 okuva ku nsalosalo zaffe ne Congo. Abu Wakasi tusuubira nti yasindise omu ku bakamanda be yatudde nabo ne bakola plan z'okutulumba nga mwe muli Muhammad Isa Wakasi nga bwe navumalaze mulenzi ono Muhammad Isa nga yono waliwo omulala gwe bayita Amigo Kibirige oyo yono wabaawo n'omulala gwe bayita Muhammad Lumisa